this home's complete loss. They're not going to try to protect it.
No stopping the fierce flame spreading through this Riverside County community.
But you can see right there the flames getting very, very close to the home. Looks like a car is burning right there in the driveway.
This Cranston fire near the San Bernardino National Forest is spreading in the mountain community of Idlewild, feeding on dry vegetation. A camera catching this tree going up like a matchstick, leaving the firefighter air show outmatched.
How's he going to stop anything with that? He's got a bucket.
The fire has forced hundreds of evacuations. One arrest has been made on suspicion of arson. In Contra Costa County, firefighters are also using an air attack in the community of Clayton, east of Mount Diablo.
Everything around the house burned. I mean, it's black all the way up to the house.
A pair of spectacular wildfires breaking out during statewide extreme heat, exploding in size, raging out of control. And the suspect under arrest for starting the Cranston fire in Southern California is 32-year-old Brandon McGlover of Temecula. Authorities are accusing him of starting as many as 5 fires today.